Shivaji on strike. The first delivery about to be bowled. Ajay is at the non-striker's end. And places the umpire. Here we go. First delivery. And it is out of the park. What a shot. What a start to the match. First delivery, short delivery, and dispatched in style. It's Amit Udeg who's coming to bowl, and he's been welcome in this tournament. This is the first match, guys, the SMA and Lap Ultras. And he has been welcomed with a huge six by Shivaji. Tremendous batting. Oh, and this is like, what will be this called? This a wide. Almost a no ball. Very close to being a no ball. और अगर ये बॉल पिच के बाहर डाल देते तो अंपायर से नो बॉल देता. But this is just a wide. So 7 already on the board and just one delivery has been bowled. What a start for Maratha Warriors. Just have a look at that replay. Wow. Oh, and this should be a wide again. It is. He tried to chase that, but still it was so wide. The umpire had to stretch his arms. That's a brilliant start for the Maratha Warriors batters. So only one delivery has been bowled. 8 on the board already. That's a great start for the batting team. Oh, and this could be a no ball, and that is a huge one. That's a big six on a no ball. Tremendous batting by Shivaji. And this is poor bowling, to say the least. Not the kind of start that they would have expected. 14 already, 15 of the over till now. And only one delivery. So एक बॉल पे 15 रन बन चुके हैं. And अमित अभी तक अपनी लाइन ढूंढ रहे हैं, लेन ढूंढ रहे हैं, जो मिल नहीं रही है. लेकिन ऐसे कहा जाता है कि ढूंढने से भगवान भी मिलता है, तो लाइन भी मिल जाएगी. थोड़ा ढूंढते रहिए बस. That's a good shot. Oh, and that's a good stop as well. Just a single this time, and Ajay comes to strike for the first time. So the bowler is under pressure. 16 already of the over till now. Just 2 deliveries have been bowled legitimately. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! First delivery faces and hits it towards the deep square leg for a boundary. One bounce into the fence she goes. So 20 already on the board. What a start for the Maratha Warriors. In the air, this could be some runs. That's probably a 6, it looks as if. Is it a boundary or 6? It's a 6, it's a maximum. Tremendous batting by both these batters. And पहले ओवर में धागा खोल दिया ऐसा लग रहा है. 26 रन हो गए हैं. Oh, this time could be another boundary. So 30 on the board already. Already 30 runs and अभी भी ओवर में एक बॉल बची है. So ऐसा लग रहा है कि अमित लगता है प्रिया गोल्ड का ऐड देख के आए थे. खुल के मांगो, हक से मांगो, धनाधन यहां पर. So that's one delivery still remaining, 31 on the board. And Amit is under pressure. Oh, that's a good delivery finally. And he's gone. Wow. What a comeback. What a comeback by Amit. 30 रन देने के बाद अमित को याद आया कि अब समय आ गया है कि मुझे एक अच्छी गेंद भी डालनी चाहिए. And finally he did it and he got a wicket. That's a great comeback by the bowler. उनके कैप्टन पूछ रहे होंगे कि भाई ये पहली बॉल से क्यों नहीं याद आया आपको, 30 रन देने के बाद क्यों याद आया. But that's how cricket goes. Can bring the best out of you, can get the worst out of you anytime. You just need to hold the nerves and deal with the pressure of the match and the situation. So 31 after the end of the first over. And Ajay has gone back to the pavilion. We've got the new batter. Looks as if Shivaji is on strike. Good start by the bowler, good delivery. And we've got Mayur on strike. मयूर ने पहले मैच में क्या किया था वो अभी तक कोई भूला नहीं है. 5 छक्के लगाए थे एक ही गेंदबाज को एक ही ओवर में. Oh, he starts off from where he had left. What a shot. That's a big six. Wow. Tremendous batting. एंड मयूर की याददाश्त बहुत तेज है, ये मैं कहना चाहूंगा. जहां पर छोड़ा था वहीं से शुरू किया. छक्के पे छक्के लगा रहे थे पिछले मैच में और आते ही पहली बॉल पे 6. Oh, that's a good comeback, good delivery. Right in the block hole, that Yorker. Tremendous bowling by the bowler here. Just have a look at that replay. What a shot that was by Mayur. इनको कहां पर गेंदबाजी डालें, ये गेंदबाजों के लिए एक सरदर्द होगा, समझना. Sachin Kasare is the bowler. Short delivery is played that brilliantly. This will be a boundary. Nobody will be able to stop that. Oh, that's a great effort by the fielder. But eventually a boundary. And look at the score. Already 43. Sir, क्या लग रहा है आपको इस पारी के अंत में स्कोर क्या होगा? What do you think would be the final score at the end of the innings, the way they have started? It's already 43.
90 to 100.
What do you say, sir?
90.
90 is the... Look at that, look at that. This could be another big one. That's a boundary. Okay, you want me to ask that question again?
पक्का है 100 है पक्का. Highest tournament, highest score of the tournament.
क्या बात है. Wow. Already it is 47, just 1.5. मुझे तो लग रहा है 150 हो जाएगा जिस तरह से खेल रहे हैं. That's a great shot. This could be another boundary. What a player this guy is. Brilliant. This time in the deep mid-wicket region. And the 50 is up already in the second over. Wow. 2 overs 51. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इनके कैप्टन ने बोल के भेजा कि सिंगल डबल होता ही नहीं क्रिकेट में, आपको सिर्फ 4 या 6 ही मारना है. And that is what they all are doing right now. 2 overs 51. What a start by Maratha Warriors. Tremendous batting by both Mayur and Shivaji and Ajay as well. Although Ajay has got out and he's back in the pavilion. 2 overs 51. Wow. Just have a look at that shot on the screen there. Tremendous batting. No chance for the fielder at mid-wicket. He was standing at the boundary, but it was hit with a lot of precision and power. We've got a new bowler coming to bowl his first delivery. Sandesh is coming to bowl his first over, and on strike is none other than Mayur. Oh, look at that! Look at that! That is a 6. Wow, what a shot! Absolutely brilliant. And he's done a Glenn Maxwell here. Played the switch it brilliantly. Starts off the over with the 6 again. Not the first time we are seeing this. ऐसा लग रहा है कि इनके कैप्टन ने इनको बोल के ही भेजा है कि भाई सिंगल डबल कुछ होता नहीं है क्रिकेट में. It's only 6 and boundaries, and you have to play that only. You have to hit those only. In the air, could be a 6. It's raining 6s here. Wow! It is raining 6s here in the month of December. Tremendous batting by Mayur again. And he's reminding us of none other than Chris Gayle, the way he's hitting those 6s. 3 in a row! 3 in a row! 3 in a row! Wow! Oh, is that a boundary? Looks as if this is a boundary. One bounce into the fence. It is a 6, yes. Wow, 3 in a row. The final decision by the umpire is a 6. So 3 6s in a row. And the score has reached 69 in just 2.3 overs. Would you believe it? Oh, this time just have a look at what kind of shots he's playing. Absolutely amazing. Speaks volumes about his preparation. Oh, what a shot! What a shot! Is that a 6? That's a boundary. This is absolutely stunning batting. We haven't seen such kind of batting in a long time at any level of cricket. And his jersey number is also 18, which is the Virat Kohli jersey. Wow. Oh, this is going to be a 6 again. Is that a boundary? It's a boundary. Okay. So that's the end of a very expensive over. 3 6s and 2 boundaries, which means 26 of the over. The score is 77 in 3 overs. We could have a 150 score at the end of 6 overs here. And I'm sure they're looking at scoring 150. We're starting the 4th over. That's a great shot. This could be another boundary. Yeah, first delivery goes into the fence. This time it's Shivaji. Shivaji says, if Mayur can do it, why can't I? And that's a boundary again. They are dealing only in boundaries. We haven't seen a single, probably in the last 10 deliveries. Only boundaries and 6s are being scored. That's a great shot. And the score has reached 81. Would you believe it? This is just the fourth over. Oh, what a shot! This could be... Oh, he's dropped it. That was a chance to take a catch, but I think the fielders are also liking their batting too much. ऐसा लग रहा था कि कैच होगा, लेकिन कैच छूटा और सपना टूटा. This is great batting. What a shot, what a shot. This could be a boundary again. Wow. Another boundary. 10 already of the first 3 deliveries. Sandesh is being taken to cleaners here. Score has reached 87 in 3.3 overs. This is absolutely high quality, high octane batting. Just have a look at their strike rates and the kind of shots they have been hitting throughout. Oh, and is that a wide? It is a wide down the leg side. So another run gifted. It's Christmas time here and gift का आदान प्रदान हो रहा है, तो एक रन और गिफ्ट में दिया है. नया साल भी आने वाला है. That's a 6 again. Wow. Brilliant. DJ, music. $94 for 1. And Shivaji is on fire. Just have a look at those big 6. Just have a look at that shot. That's a boundary again. Wow. क्या बात है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि सुई से धागा पिरो दिया है. हर शॉट गैप में जा रहा है, हर शॉट बाउंड्री और 6 जा रहा है. सिंगल तो पिछली बार कब लिया था याद ही नहीं आ रहा है. Shivaji is on 46 of just 12 deliveries. In the air, will that be a catch? क्या ये कैच होंगे? आज नहीं होंगे. आज इनका दिन है. And that's the 100 up for the team. Wow! Let's give it up for the Maratha Warriors, guys. आप किसी भी टीम के हो, किसी भी टीम को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो, ऐसी बैटिंग को आपको सपोर्ट करना ही चाहिए. Let's give it up for Maratha Warriors. क्या बल्लेबाजी है, क्या जबरदस्त खेल का प्रदर्शन यहाँ पर. हालांकि थोड़ा सा किस्मत ने भी साथ दिया और कैच छूटा और बहुत बड़ा एक सपना टूटा. 4 ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 100 रन. Would you believe it? 4 overs, 100 is the score. And Shivaji Kudale is on 48. Mayur Divekar 33. Shivaji has played just 13 deliveries and Mayur has played just 8 deliveries. 21 बॉल खेली इन दोनों ने और दोनों ने मिलकर बनाए हैं 81 runs. Wow. What players, guys. Absolutely out of this world. ऐसा लग रहा है इन्होंने मार्स से मंगाए हैं प्लेयर्स. धरती के तो प्लेयर्स नहीं लग रहे हैं. तारीफ करनी पड़ेगी दोनों की बहुत ज्यादा. तो सर अब क्या प्रेडिक्शन है? 4 ओवर में 100 कर दिया इन्होंने.
150.
अभी तुरंत प्रोजेक्टेड स्कोर्स बढ़ते आ रहे हैं. अब 150 पे आ गया है. 25 के रन रेट से खेल रहे हैं. जबरदस्त. ऐसा तो हम लोग बुक क्रिकेट खेलते थे, जब बुक से खेलते थे तब खेलते थे. जैसा ये लोग एक्चुअल में खेल रहे हैं. स्टार्ट ऑफ न्यू ओवर. दैट्स अ गुड स्टार्ट. And good run taken as well. Shivaji is on 49. 48, beg your pardon. Shivaji is on 48. And बहुत टाइम के बाद एक सिंगल देखने को मिला. हालांकि जो कैच ड्रॉप हुआ था उस पर भी 2 रन आ गए थे. This is exquisite batting. Sachin Kasare is bowling his second. Oh! And it says 50. Wow, what a play. What a shot! बल्ला घुमा और पूरा खालसा ग्राउंड झूमा. Absolutely brilliant. 54 for Shivaji and only in 14 deliveries. What a player, and look at the number of sixes he's hit. 4 sixes and 6 boundaries. Six. Wow. ये खतरनाक बल्लेबाजी हो रही है. ऐसी बल्लेबाजी नॉर्मल क्रिकेट में देखने को नहीं मिलती है. Absolutely brilliant performance by Shivaji. He's raised to 60 of just 15 deliveries. 400 के स्ट्राइक रेट से खेल रहे हैं. एक एक बॉल पे 4 रन बना रहे हैं. इतना इनका स्ट्राइक रेट है. That should be a wide down the leg side. Yes, the bowlers are under pressure. Another wide given by Pankaj. Pankaj is the bowler here. कितने लंबे लंबे छक्के लगा रहे हैं. अगर आज बूस्ट या हॉर्लिक्स या कॉम्प्लान इनके बैटिंग को देख रहे होते तो पक्का इनको एक ऐड मिल जाता. बूस्ट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ हिज एनर्जी. या आई एम अ कॉम्प्लान बॉय. दैट्स अ गुड शॉट, जस्ट अ सिंगल. दिस इज एक्सपीरियंस बैटिंग. आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड परफॉर्मेंस बाय द मराठा वॉरियर्स एंड दे वर आस्क्ड टू बैट फर्स्ट. तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि टॉस जीतने के बाद शायद ऐसा लग रहा हो कि गलत डिसीजन ले लिया. इन द एयर. Oh, this will be a boundary. और यहां पर बड़ा मुश्किल है फील्डर्स के लिए. एक दो बॉल तो हैं जो ग्राउंड पे आती हैं, वो भी बाउंस करके ऊपर से निकल जाती हैं. कैसे चलेगा? Oh, and that's a big wide. So the bowler under pressure for sure. The score has reached 120. Oh, that's a good delivery. Just a single. Looks as if he's crammed himself. Mayur looks to be cramping. Maybe he's hurt on his ankle. We'll have to just look at what has happened there. That's the end of the 5th over. 121 for the loss of just 1 wicket. Wow, look at the run rate. It's 24.20, the run rate. इस बैटिंग के लिए हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 शब्द हैं. अद्भुत, अविश्वसनीय, अकल्पनीय. Absolutely stunning batting. And I'll request the captains of Eastern Tigers and Gujarat Lions to please be prepared for the toss, which will happen after the first innings. Oh, and starts off with a 6 again. Mayur on fire. So Mayur has scored 45 in just 12 deliveries, just 1 shot away from a big 50. In the air, this could be a 6. Is that a 6? That's a boundary. Mayur on 49. और ये देखिए 3 मस्किटियर्स बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पर. पता नहीं तब से क्या इनके बीच बातचीत चल रही है. मैं तब से देख रहा हूँ, पिछले 1.5 घंटे से ये लोग यहीं पर कवि सम्मेलन लगा के बैठे हुए हैं. क्या भाई मजा आ रहा है?
मजा आ रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है सर कि ये ये जो टीम है शायद ये कहीं ना कहीं फाइनल की दावेदार है सर।
फुल फाइनल की दावेदार है सर।
क्या बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं, क्या ताबड़तोड़ बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं। और आज सुबह से कैसा लग रहा है आप तीनों को?
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है सर।
ये हमारे लिए सर जोश जुनून वाला हमारा फ्लाई होता है कॉन्टेस्ट, वैसा लग रहा है हमें।
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत। हम राजस्थान से आए, फुल मज़ा ले रहे हैं सर, फुल मज़ा आया रहा। और IFL फाइनेंस ने
और ये देखिए ऐसे शॉट देखने को मिलेंगे तो किसको मजा नहीं आएगा।
और यहाँ पे मेंटेन जो किया सर, बहुत लेवल का मेंटेन किया था।
अभी हम लोग चलेंगे, आपका एक प्रॉपर यहाँ पर आपके जितने भी विचार हैं सारे दर्शकों के साथ आप शेयर करना। हम लोग बीच पिच पे जाके आप लोग से बात करेंगे। So that's a 50 to Mayur, which was just a formality the way he was playing. 50 तो उनको बनानी थी। Look at that, look at that. That's a boundary. जी हाँ, यहाँ 150 की बात हो रही थी। 150 was the projected score after 4 overs. Oh! What a shot! Look at that! It has reached the building over there. Absolutely brilliant hitting by Mayur. Tremendous batting. And he's lost the ball. Absolutely amazing. 146. मुझे लगता है इनके बिजनेस हेड्स, HRs सब सोच रहे हैं इनका अप्रेजल तो आज ही हो गया है। क्या बात है, एब्सोल्युटली ब्रिलियंट। Oh, what a shot! Is that going to be out? And he's dropped it. He has dropped it. And that's the end of the innings. The final score is 148. सिर्फ 2 रन से चूक गए, लेकिन क्या बल्लेबाजी की है। इसे चूकना नहीं कहते हैं, इसे कहते हैं पूरे मजे लेके बल्लेबाजी करना। 148 और 149 का स्कोर है। I'll request the captains of Eastern Tigers and Gujarat Lions to please join us for the toss for the next match. और हमारे 3 मस्किटर्स कहां जा रहे हो आप लोग भाई? इधर आइए प्लीज। नंबर 7, नंबर 45 जर्सी। Captain of Royal Gujarat Lions, captain of Eastern Tigers, can we have you here please for the toss? We've got the captain Priyank from the Royal Gujarat Lions. Can we have Santosh as well? Yes, he's coming. Cameraman साहब आइए please. Mr. Cameraman, can we have you here please? Cameraman, can we have you here please? कैमरा वाले भैया। DJ, thank you. DJ, thank you. Okay, guys, here we are for the toss of the next match to be played between the Royal Gujarat Lions, captained by Priyank, and the Eastern Tigers, captained by Santosh. We have the coin with Priyank, who will be flipping it, and Santosh will call. Tails is a call by Santosh. And it's ahead. So, Priyank, you've won the toss. What would you like to do? Kya karenge aap?
We are going to ball first.
And how's the mood in the camp after the first victory?
It's fantastic. So we played first match and we ball first. So the same we want to continue. So this is the reason we have decided to ball first.
What kind of a score would you want to restrict them to? They're also a good team. They won their first match nicely.
Definitely, they are a good team. So we want to restrict them. They are a good team. So 55, 60, 65 would be a good score, which we can chase easily. So this is what we are aiming for.
And you also have a very good batting lineup. And we are seeing that the batsmen, what they're doing here, especially Maratha Warriors, what they did in the first innings. What do you want to say about your batting lineup?
So we have a fantastic lineup. So if we will chase, we have a good batting lineup. We can play till 7, 8. So chasing would be a good for us. So this is the reason we have decided.
Well, all the very best. Santosh ji, आप टॉस हारे, अगर आप टॉस जीतते तो आप क्या करते?
नहीं, हम भी चेज ही करते हैं, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। हमारा बॉलिंग लाइन में अच्छा है, बैटिंग लाइन में अच्छा है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
आप भी फुल तैयारी से आए हो। पहला मैच आपने बहुत बढ़िया खेला और बहुत अच्छी आपकी टीम भी है।
हाँ, थैंक यू।
क्या सोच रहे हैं, किस तरह का स्कोर बनाना चाहेंगे?
जितना ज़्यादा हो सके उतना करेंगे। बॉलिंग लाइन भी अच्छा है, अगर चेस करता तो अच्छा होता, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
All the very best. Okay, guys, so the news from the center is that the captain of Royal Gujarat Lions, Priyank, has won the toss and he's chosen into field first. And he's asked his counterpart, Santosh, who's the captain of Eastern Tigers, to bat first. Thank you. And we'll be coming to the live match now, जिसमें मराठा वॉरियर्स ने धागा खोल दिया है। 148 रन बनाए इन्होंने और ऐसा लग रहा है कि पिछले एक साल से इसी टूर्नामेंट की तैयारी कर रहे थे ये लोग, जिस तरह से खेल रहे हैं। Absolutely brilliant, to say the least. What a performance with the bat by the Maratha Warriors. They have been exceptional, to say the least. और जैसा कि मैंने पहले कहा था कि मेरे पास इनके लिए सिर्फ 3 शब्द हैं: अद्भुत, अविश्वसनीय, अकल्पनीय। इन्हीं 3 शब्दों में इनकी पूरी परफॉर्मेंस डिफाइन हो जाती है। And we're about to start the second innings. SME and LAP Ultras, they have to score 149. They have to score in 6 overs, guys. It's not a T20 match. Let me remind you, 6 ओवर का मैच है। 149 बनाने 25 रन पर ओवर के हिसाब से खेलना पड़ेगा। पहाड़ जैसा लक्ष्य, लेकिन अब देखते हैं कि पूरा पहाड़ चढ़ेंगे या जो साइड से गली जाती है वहां से घर चले जाएंगे। और पहली बॉल पे विकेट होते होते बच गया। क्या रन आउट होंगे? जी नहीं। That's a great start by the bowler. So Akshay bowling the first over, the left arm pacer, and that should be probably a wide. Is that so? Yes, that's a wide given by the umpire down the leg side and penalized immediately. The umpire stretches his arms. That's a great shot. First 6. Wow. Sandesh on fire. Look at the shot. And Sandesh announces himself with a huge 6 over the deep mid-wicket region. That was a good delivery, but look at the way he's hit that. Just have a look at the replay on the screen. Oh, and that's a good delivery. That was so close. Quick single. साउंड वाले भैया, ये माइक की बैटरी खत्म हो गई है. So Akshay coming to bowl his next delivery. Sandesh on strike. It's a good delivery. Played nicely. Chance over. Oh, he's missed that. That's a single taken easily. So that's a dot to end the over. Just 9 on the board. And they lost 1 wicket. It's Vishal coming to bowl the second over of the innings. Dheeraj on strike. And they need 140 to win in 5 overs. They will have to play out of their skin if they want to cross the line. Oh, that's a good start. Sandesh misses that. Oh, this is tremendous bowling by Vishal. Sandesh currently has no idea about what is coming to him. In the air. This could be a catch. Oh yes, he's taken that very nicely. And the second wicket down here for the SME and Lap Ultras. Maratha Warriors are all over them at the moment. Oh, this is tremendous bowling by Vishal. Vishal is bowling a gem of an over. His first, but... And Vasudeva. Oh, 5 dot deliveries in this over. So he hasn't given a single run till now. Oh, and that's a maiden over. Wow. That's a maiden over and a wicket as well. Vishal on fire. And the score is just 9 after 2 overs. This is the first maiden over that has been bowled by any bowler in the tournament, and the required run rate जो अब आ गया है वो सिर्फ 35 रन है एक ओवर में. आपको हर बॉल पे सिर्फ एक छक्का मारना है और आपको छक्के मारते जाना है तो आप इस मैच को जीत जाओगे. अगर आपने एक भी बॉल ऐसा हुआ जिस पे छक्का नहीं मारा. So 4 overs and 140 to win. 24 balls पे 140 रन. And this match is going only one way. Pretty sure on that now. And that's the Maratha Warriors way. Sandesh started off nicely, but then he lost way. And last over, being a maiden, has just sealed the fate of this match. Here comes Mayur, the pacer, who's got a really impressive run-up and a really good action, a quick arm action he's got, Mayur. And he's done wonders with the bat as well in both the matches. So he's a big contender of the most valuable player of the tournament, for sure. A genuine all-rounder for the team, Mayur. And on strike is now Sandesh. Played nicely. This is going to be some runs. Could be 2 runs. Oh, look at the fielding. Look at the level of commitment and the quickness that they have on the ground. मराठा वॉरियर्स ने इस मैच से एक स्टेटमेंट दे दिया है ऑलरेडी सारे टीम्स को कि वो इस टूर्नामेंट को जीतने ही आए हैं. There's no second thought in their mind. He's got him! Cleaned him up. What a delivery. Mayur is on fire. And Sandesh will have to go back to the pavilion. जी हाँ, और हमारे साथी कमेंटेटर मितेश की तरफ से शायरी मैं आप सभी के सामने प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगा. जिनके क्रीज पर आने से, जिनके पिच पर आने से सब जाते हैं डर, वो है और कोई नहीं हमारे मयूर दिवेकर. वाओ, इस तरह का ऑरा बना दिया है मयूर ने अपने खेल से. Nitesh is the new batter. That's a good delivery. Quick one. Chance of a run out. He's gone. Yes. Too much desperation to score runs leads to this wicket. और नितेश आए और नितेश गए. This is high quality bowling by the Maratha Warriors. Mayur, not at all an easy bowler to face. 2.4 overs. The score is 12 runs for 4 wickets. New batter Pankaj Yadav. In the air, and is that a team hat trick? Yes, ये टीम की हैट्रिक हो गई है. 3 गेंदों पर 3 विकेट और ये मैच पूरी तरह से एक तरफा हो चुका है. Another wicket falling down. Pankaj going back to the pavilion on the very first delivery. 12 for 5 at the end of 3 overs. A one-sided contest here being made by Maratha Warriors against the SME and Lap Ultras. This is high quality cricket by Maratha Warriors. They are a team to look forward to by all the opponents. Vishal coming to... Oh, Vishal is on fire today. It's not easy to play such kind of high quality bowling. Vishal Gharat. Four overs, 13 for 6. This is a very lackluster performance in the context of this game. आपको 150 रन चाहिए और अगर आप 4 ओवर में 13 रन बनाते हो तो इससे एक चीज़ क्लियर है कि आप फुल एंजॉय करने आए हो. मैच के रिजल्ट से आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है और दैट इज द स्पिरिट. एक्चुअली यही होना चाहिए. खेल तो चलता ही रहता है लेकिन जो मज़ा आता है मस्ती में उसकी बात ही अलग है. रन तो हम कल भी बना सकते हैं. आज थोड़े मजे कर लें. कल भी मैचेस हैं हमारे. But nonetheless, SME and Lap Ultras are also playing good cricket. It's just that Maratha Warriors are such a good team. It's not easy for them to cope with the pressure of this huge chase of 150. That's a good shot. Just a single. एंड हार जीत से ज़्यादा मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि पार्टिसिपेशन इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. आप जितना भाग लोगे इस तरह के टूर्नामेंट्स में, प्रतियोगिताओं में, उतना ही आपका एज अ टीम, एज अ प्लेयर कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है, एक दूसरे पे ट्रस्ट बढ़ता है, टीम वर्क बढ़ता है. ये सब टूर्नामेंट्स सिर्फ जीत हार के लिए नहीं खेले जाते हैं. These tournaments are played to increase trust between the players, between the teams, to have a good teamwork, camaraderie. और इसी के साथ एक वाइड भी डाल दी है यहाँ पर. थोड़ी कैमराड्री हमने देखी बॉलर की तरफ से भी, एक वाइड डाल दी. जी हाँ, मितेश का ये कहना है कि जितना भागोगे उतना आगे जाओगे. और एक और वाइड यहाँ पर. That's a good comeback. This time it's not a wide. That's a good shot. Oh, and he's got him. What a catch. Maratha Warriors are all over the ground here. They cannot be kept out of the game any time in this match. This looked as if this will be a boundary, but he's converted that into a catch. What a fielding effort by the fielder at deep square leg. That's a good shot. This should be some runs. Oh, और ये हो गई है यहाँ पर छोटी सी चूक. And that's a boundary. This should be some runs again. This will be a boundary. So a good bit of effort by the lower order batters. This could be a big one. Oh, and was that a catch? 2 runs taken. It's a good shot. Quick single taken. Singles are not going to help them. "27 for 7. This is the 6th over. And this could be a 6. It is. That's a good shot. Too late in the day, but then still they're hitting some good shots here. 33 for 7 now. Shubham is the bowler and Nikhil, it's a good one. That's a good shot. Just a single. Full toss. He's hit that nicely. And he's gone. That's a wicket. Just one delivery remaining. "34 for the loss of 8 wickets. This is the last delivery of the match. And that's the end of the match with a single. 35 is what they could manage. It's a thumping victory for Maratha Warriors with a huge margin of 113 runs. Some really good performances by the Maratha Warriors players.